Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the Galaxy A13 above 50% and join a reliable Wi-Fi network so steps don't fail mid-process. Next, locate the Google account email and password. If you don't have them, make note of the device PIN or Samsung account credentials. Once done, back up important data to Google Drive or to an external micro SD. This prevents permanent loss when you remove the account. Now, go to Settings to start the removal process immediately. You'll now remove the account. Open Settings, choose Accounts and Backup, then Accounts. Select the Google account listed and tap Remove Account. That is the core action. When the system prompts for authentication, enter the device PIN or Samsung account password. This prevents unauthorized removals. If two-factor verification appears, complete it on a trusted device. Once removal completes, wait for sync to stop and verify contacts, and drive entries no longer sync with that account on the phone. You finish by restarting the phone and confirming the Google account no longer appears under Settings Accounts. If you plan to wipe the device, sign out from Samsung services first to avoid factory reset protection. If FRP appears after reset, you must use the original Google credentials. If removal fails, enable developer options and OEM unlocking only if you understand the risk, or use Samsung Find My Mobile to remote sign out. If problems persist, contact Samsung support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.